Upgrade your GPU power with a PCIe power adapter cable. The perfect solution to connect dual 6-pin PCIe power supplies to an 8-pin graphics card. Designed for seamless compatibility, this adapter ensures your high-performance GPU gets the stable power it needs. Bridge the power gap in your PC build with a dual 6-pin female to 8-pin male PCIe adapter cable. The essential link to connect two 6-pin PCIe power connectors from your PSU to a single 8-pin graphics card. Perfect for upgrading older power supplies to support modern GPUs. Built for durability and reliability. It features 18 AWG tin copper wires, a flexible braided sleeve, and a secure locking connector to prevent accidental disconnections. Even under heavy loads, with an ideal 9-inch length, it offers just right amount of slack for easy installation and clean cable management, keeping your setup neat and efficient. Whether you're upgrading your rig or maximizing your GPU's potential, this adapter delivers secure, uninterrupted power so you can game, create, and compute with confidence.